How to understand Google AdSense versus YouTube AdSense. In this video, we'll explore the differences between Google AdSense and YouTube AdSense, two essential tools for online monetization. Understanding these platforms can help you maximize your revenue potential online. First, let's talk about Google AdSense. It's a program that allows website owners to earn money by displaying ads on their sites. These ads are relevant to the site's content and are managed by Google. When users click on these ads, the website owner earns a share of the revenue. To get started, you need to sign up for an account, add a small snippet of code to your website, and then Google takes care of the rest, including ad placement and billing. Now, let's shift our focus to YouTube AdSense. While technically under the AdSense umbrella, YouTube AdSense works a bit differently. Revenue here is generated through ads placed on your YouTube videos. To be eligible, you must first join the YouTube Partner Program. This requires at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past year. Once accepted, ads can appear in your videos, and you'll earn revenue based on impressions and interactions with these ads. The main difference between Google AdSense and YouTube AdSense lies in their application. Google AdSense is used for website monetization, while YouTube AdSense is specific to video content on YouTube. The types of ads also differ, with website ads coming in forms like banners or text, and YouTube ads appearing before, during, or after videos. Understanding these differences can help you choose the right platform for your content and revenue goals. Whether you're a website owner or a YouTuber, knowing which AdSense tool suits your needs is the first step to maximizing your earnings. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and give this video a thumbs up.